G'day cocktail lovers, this is a breezy little tropical number I'm calling a Pineapple Amaro Rum Punch. Bit of a mashup of some recipes I found online, but it was basically, something fruity and bright with rum, and, it's not a big surprise that those things go together, but I haven't tried this particular combo before, so I'm going to try it now. Oh yeah, those go together really well. I want to show you the actual ingredients. First, rum, no big surprise. The base recipe I went for said use an aged rum, and I thought, well, I've got this Eldorado 15. That's aged quite a while. It's a nice rum, so that's the rum I'm using in this cocktail. Now, the recipe I'm basing this off was called a hibiscus rum punch, and it said use a hibiscus liqueur. I was like, who the hell has a hibiscus liqueur? And so I'm going to go, okay, what other, I'm going to go something fruity in it. And I was going to go with banana, but I thought, I have this that I don't use that often. It is a Pineapple Amaro liqueur, and it's very interesting. It's sweeter than your average Amaro because of the pineapple element, but it also just has that little bit of bitterness that you usually don't get with fruit liqueurs. So I quite enjoy it sitting in that mid-ground, and I thought that would be a really interesting thing. Straight up fruit liqueur, I'm sure would be good, but I just thought, let's go a little bit left field in this, and I'm going to make it with a Pineapple Amaro. That's a pretty obscure ingredient, so I don't blame you if you don't have it or something like it. Like I said, just go with a fruit liqueur. How sweet you make it is going to depend on your tastes, but the way this has come out, it is a really nice balance with the sweetness but not being too sweet. A lot of these tropical rum drinks are just overly sweet, so many fruit juices and syrups and liqueurs along with the rums. This one, I like how it's come out. Here's how I made it. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of aged rum, and then 30 mils, 1 ounce of the fruit liqueur that you're using. Then I used half an ounce or 15 mils of lime juice, and around 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of brown sugar syrup. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds. You want it nice and chilled and a little bit of dilution. And then I'm doing just a dirty dump, ice and all, into a tall glass, and I'm topping that with soda water. The soda water would also be optional in my book. You don't have to make it a highball. That's what the original recipe was, and I thought, I hardly ever make highballs. By the time you see this, because I'm recording this a long time before it's actually going live, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, you'll be right in summer. Be perfect weather for something like this. Me, personally, even though it's the colder weather here, I don't mind at all. It's a really tasty drink. I'm going to sit back and enjoy it. My Pineapple Amaro Rum Punch. Hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing, whatever you're drinking, whether it be a cocktail or something non-alcoholic. Just relax, look after yourself, take care, and I do hope to see you again soon. Until I do, I will say, cheers.